If you've ever tried making a curved cut with a circular saw, then you know some tools just aren't made for the job. That's exactly where the Jigsaw comes in. It's one of the most versatile tools you can have, whether you're a weekend DIYer or a full-time pro. From straight lines to tricky patterns in wood, metal, or plastic, a solid jigsaw can absolutely transform your workflow. And in this video, we're looking at 9 of the best jigsaws you can get right now in Europe for the price. All the links are down below in the description, so check those out if you see one that fits your needs. Let's dive in! Let's kick things off with a model from Jigsaws, specifically the M1QDU03110. This corded jigsaw puts out a strong 800 watts, which is impressive considering how affordable it is. That power really shows when cutting through thick wood boards or even softer metals like aluminum. You get 6 adjustable speeds, a 4-stage pendulum setting to adjust your cut depth and aggressiveness, and even a laser guide, something that's surprisingly rare at this price point. It also includes a parallel guide, which can help a lot with repetitive straight cuts. Downsides, it's not the quietest saw out there, and it's a little bulky in the hand, but if you're looking for raw cutting power without breaking the bank, this Jigsaw is a great way to start. It's especially handy if you're working on denser materials like hardwood plywood or OSB. Just be ready for a bit more noise and vibration compared to premium brands. If you prefer something a little lighter and easier to handle, the Bosch PST650 delivers excellent results with just 500 watts of power. What really stands out here is how smooth it runs. This one's ideal for home projects, cutting wood, plastic, or thin sheet metal. Bosch's low vibration system really helps reduce fatigue over longer sessions. It doesn't have a pendulum action, so it's not the fastest cutter in the group, but it makes up for that with precision and comfort. Compared to the Jigsaw, this one gives you more control and finesse, though it does trade off a bit of muscle. For light cabinetry or decorative work, though, the precision you get here is worth it. And at under 2 kilograms, it won't wear you out holding it overhead. It's the kind of tool that quietly gets the job done without fuss or drama. Next up is the Works WX478.1, a great middle ground option that balances solid power with user-friendly features. It runs on 650 watts, with variable speed and a 4-position pendulum setting, making it more adaptable than the Bosch and more refined than the Jigsaw. There's also a built-in LED and a dust blower, which help keep your cutting line clear. What I like most is the build quality. It feels durable and well-made, with an ergonomic grip that gives you real confidence as you cut. My one gripe? Changing blades isn't quite as intuitive as it should be. Still, for the price, it's a fantastic all-rounder for general DIY work. It's the type of tool that makes learning how to cut curves and bevels feel intuitive. If you do a lot of shaping or scroll work, the smooth motor and added visibility really come in handy. If you're looking for something simple and affordable for occasional use, the Einhell TCJS80-1 is worth checking out. It packs 600 watts of power, 4 pendulum settings, and even a tilting base for bevel cuts. The design is bare bones, but it gets the job done. No laser, no LED, but performance-wise, it does better than you'd expect at this price. It's a bit on the noisy side, and the overall finish is more basic. But if you just need a reliable saw for weekend projects or starting out, this one's hard to beat. Compared to the Bosch, you gain a bit of cutting power and versatility, but give up on precision and vibration control. It's a solid backup tool to have on hand, especially if you occasionally need to cut rougher materials. And it's lightweight enough that even less experienced users won't feel overwhelmed. Now, if you're getting serious, the Makita DJV182Z is a cordless model that brings professional-level performance. First off, it uses a brushless motor for higher efficiency and longer lifespan. It runs on 18-volt batteries, sold separately, and includes variable speed, soft start, and 3 pendulum settings. But what really sells this tool is how smooth and precise it feels. There's very little vibration, and it's built for pros who cut wood or metal all day long. Yes, the price is higher, and you'll need to budget for the battery, but once you try it, it's obvious where the money goes. It's incredibly quiet for its class, making it suitable for work environments where noise is a concern. And thanks to the toolless blade change, switching between cuts is fast and frustration-free. Staying with cordless options, the Stanu JS012 is surprisingly feature-rich for the price. It has 4 pendulum settings, an LED light, and variable speed up to 3,000 strokes per minute. It also comes with 2 2-amp-hour batteries and a fast charger included, which gives it an edge over many competitors. It's not quite as refined or powerful as the Makita, But for someone who needs portability and decent runtime without spending a fortune, it gets the job done. Cuts are generally accurate, though it does vibrate more with tougher materials. It's a great option for household use where you don't always have a plug nearby. It also comes with a carrying case, which is a thoughtful bonus if you need to move between job sites. And while it's not designed for industrial use, it holds up better than you'd expect for the price. Moving on, we've got the Black & Decker KS501QS, one of the simplest and most beginner-friendly saws on this list. With 400 watts of power, it's lightweight, easy to handle, and great for basic cuts in soft wood or plastic. It includes a dust blower and has a very compact design, perfect for tight workspaces. You won't find pendulum settings or fancy extras here, but that's part of the charm. This is the kind of tool you can hand to someone brand new to DIY, and they'll feel comfortable immediately. Compared to the budget Einhell, this one wins in ease of use, but falls behind in cutting force. Think of it as your no-nonsense starter tool. Reliable, affordable, and simple to maintain. It also takes standard U and T shank blades, so finding replacements is easy. Now for the second Einhell on the list, the TCJS18 cordless model. It's part of the Power Exchange lineup, meaning if you already own other Einhell cordless tools, you can swap batteries between them. It's compact, decently powerful, and has pendulum settings, tool-free blade change, and a lightweight body that's great for awkward angles. Picture this. You're trying to install a custom shelf on a slanted wall. With no cable getting in the way, this saw lets you move freely and make precise cuts, even in tight corners. If you're already in the Einhell ecosystem, this one's a smart addition. And because it's battery-powered, it's a great choice for working outdoors or in garages without outlets. It might not be your primary workhorse, but it's an excellent secondary tool for mobile tasks. And we'll wrap up with the crown jewel of the lineup, the Makita DJV181RTJ. Also cordless, and this time it comes in a full kit with a 5 amp-hour battery, a fast charger, and a sturdy MacPack case. It shares most of its features with the earlier Makita: brushless motor, low vibration, fantastic cutting accuracy, but now it's all bundled for serious users. If you work with hardwood, tough panels, or do detailed installations, this saw is an absolute workhorse. You can use it for extended periods without heat buildup or loss of performance. It's clearly aimed at professionals, and both the quality and the price reflect that. It even includes a base cover to protect delicate surfaces like laminated furniture or finished wood. If your projects demand both mobility and uncompromising quality, this kit delivers on all fronts. So, which one's right for you? If you're setting up a home workshop or love weekend DIY, the Bosch 650 and the Works 478.1 are great all-round choices. If what you care about is raw cutting power, the Haishika 800 watt and the budget Einhell offer unbeatable value. For those wanting cordless convenience, the Stanyu and the Einhell 18-volt model bring great mobility. And if you're a pro or just want the best of the best, both Makitas, especially the full RTJ kit, are top-tier investments. As always, you'll find links to all these jigsaws down below in the description. If this video helped you figure out what fits your needs, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. See you in the next one.